Hello there, TV troubleshooters. Having trouble with a sharp LED TV that refuses to turn on? You're in the right place. Today we're uncovering how to fix sharp LED TV no power issues with a step-by-step approach to get your TV back up and running. Say goodbye to those dreadful blank screens and hello to your favorite shows. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first. Ensure that your TV is connected to a functioning power source. Unplug the TV from the wall socket and inspect the outlet by plugging in another device, such as a lamp or phone charger, to confirm that it is providing power. Sometimes it's the simple things that get overlooked. Step 2. Inspect the power cord. A faulty power cord can be the culprit behind your power issues. Examine the cord for visible damage, such as fraying or kinks. If the power cord looks compromised, it's time for a replacement. You can usually find compatible power cords online or at your local electronics store. Just make sure to disconnect the TV and all accessories before swapping out the cord. Step 3. Check the backlight. Sharp LED TVs may sometimes face backlight issues, which can make the screen appear black, leading you to believe there's no power. To diagnose this, power on the TV in a dark room and use a flashlight to check for faint images on the screen. If you see any, the backlight may be malfunctioning, necessitating professional repair or replacement. Step 4. Perform a power reset. Sometimes performing a power reset can work wonders. To do this, unplug your TV from the wall socket and disconnect all external devices like gaming consoles or streaming devices. Hold the power button on the TV for about 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. After that, plug your TV back in and try turning it on. This helps in resetting the internal circuitry, often resolving power issues. Step 5. Inspect the power supply board. If your TV still doesn't power on, there might be an issue with the power supply board. This requires a more technical approach. Unplug the TV and remove the back panel carefully using a screwdriver. Look for any signs of burning or damaged capacitors on the power board. Use caution here. If you spot any damage, it's advisable to consult a professional technician to replace or repair the board safely. Step 6. Consult Sharp customer support. If your TV still refuses to cooperate, it's time to get some expert advice. Reach out to Sharp's customer support for further assistance. They can provide guidance based on the model of your TV and may suggest authorized repair services if required. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to fix sharp LED TV no power problems. From checking the basics like power sources and cords to more extensive troubleshooting steps, these methods should cover all the bases. Remember, safety first. If you're not comfortable handling electronics repairs, seek professional help. Armed with these tips, you'll soon be back to enjoying your favorite movies and shows without a hitch. Happy viewing and good luck with your repair journey.